Chattanooga Mayor Tim Kelly and Hamilton County Mayor Weston Wamp made a joint appearance today at the East Brainerd Chattanooga Chamber meeting.
Local 3's Xavier Harris was at that meeting as well, and he files this report.
More than 100 Chattanoogans filled the room at WTCI building as Chamber President and CEO Charles Wood moderated questions for both county and city mayors.
The folks who are in the room are chamber members, so they're members of the Chattanooga Chamber, and most of them are connected and engaged, have businesses that operate in this area of town.
Both Chattanooga Mayor Tim Kelly and Hamilton County Mayor Weston Wamp discussed the differences between their offices, how they work together to improve communities, and important initiatives like homelessness.
Getting those numbers down, getting people housed. We have a very innovative program called the Eviction Prevention Initiative that's furnished legal aid in court for people being evicted to stop that process and work with the anti-landlord, but working with the landlord to kind of work out terms and hopefully land a plan. That's kept hundreds of people from being homeless.
Meanwhile, Mayor Wamp says he's working with the Board of Education to improve school buildings.
Dr. Robertson and I had gathered a working group to think through how we could make smart investments in school facilities. We know we've got a lot of needs. Still, patching together a lot of old, frankly, city schools, some old structures, and people know the challenges that the county faces in some areas in terms of facilities.
Both mayors were asked about the future of Chattanooga and where they see the city in 20 years.
Not the best city for retirees necessarily, but the best city to raise a family, right? Because what we want is a vibrant city, economically vibrant city, a city that works for everybody. But that for here over the next 20 years is, if you had to look at one needle that's moved, frankly, it's going to be educational.
That would be my hope, is that we kind of commit to this sort of the same greatness that you've seen in eras before here, and that we'd be mindful of the reality that the face of our community's changed. 54% of our public school system are Black and Latino kids. Now, that's really cool. But those Black and Latino kids don't have the same sort of opportunities that I did growing up on Big Ridge.
Wood says he hopes the audience will understand that while both mayors have different views, they can both agree on a better community.
Hopefully what they saw today is certainly, I think, both the city and the county talking about what the opportunities are and working together in the future.
Reporting in Hamilton County, I'm Xavier Harris, Local 3 News.